Hey guys, welcome to this video, and today we're gonna see how we can convert a PDF into images. We will use Python to convert a PDF into images. So let's get started. Before I start coding, I need to download and install two applications, ImageMagick and GhostScript. Go to this URL. From this URL, I'll download ImageMagick executable file for Windows. You can get the URL from description. Click to this link. Download this file, it's for 64-bit system, or if you have 32-bit system, choose accordingly. Now, I have to download GhostScript for Windows. Type this URL and hit enter. Now, download your file according to your operating system. Now go to the download section where these files are downloaded, then install them one by one. So here you can see these two downloaded files. Now double click on ImageMagick application. Read the agreement, then accept it. And click next. And next. And next. I had previously installed this application, so its folder is already here. It's okay. I'll click yes and next. Here are some default settings, so I'll leave it as is and next and click install and wait for a few seconds. Now click next and finish. And here you see its web page of features and capabilities and more. I'll close this. Now go back to the download section and install the GhostScript application. Now click next and read the agreement and click I agree. Click install and wait for a few seconds, then click finish. And I see its web page, which will give me all the information about this application. Currently I don't need this, so I'll close this and close the Chrome. Then I'll create a new folder named as PDF to image. And move this PDF file to that folder. Now open this folder with Visual Code Insider. I'll create a file, name it as PDF to image.py. Now I'll import a library here from wand.image. Import image as WI. You'll have to install it by typing this command in command prompt, pip install wand. You see, requirement already satisfied because I have already installed this library. Now I declare a variable named PDF file equals to WI file name equals to, and here I'll give a PDF path. So I'll type sample.pdf and set its resolution to 400. Next line, images, it's a var equals PDF file dot convert, and here I'll pass the extension of image. I'll give JPG. I'll create another var to get the number of pages from PDF named as image sequence and initialized with 1. Now I'll create a for loop img in PDF file dot sequence. I'm using a temp var named image equals WI image equals to img. Now hit enter and type image.save file name. Inside double quotes type image plus str image sequence. Consider this as sequence of PDF pages plus inside double quote type its extension .jpg. So your image will be generated like image with image sequence like 123.jpg. And now I increment the image sequence by 1. Now save it and run. Okay, so I got an error of format. I typed JPF and it should be JPG. So I retype it as JPG. Now save it and run. And here you see there are two images which I have recently generated from PDF. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.